This is Penchen, and here's my reaction time project. First of all, to make the artist strip, I use the material cardboard, tape, glue, ruler, scissors, knife, and paper. And the equation I used is kinetic equation number 3 and number 2. From the kinetic equation number 3, I can get the V0, and then I can get the reaction time from the number 2. And here's the transformation of the reaction time formula. So when D is equal to 0 millimeter, there's no V0, and then we can use the reaction time formula here. And then when D is equal to 50 and 100, we have V0 that is 0.99 and 0.14. So we need to put the V0 here in the equation to get the correct reaction time. So here I collect 3 subjects data by using the equipment I made. So, and then this is all the data I collect. Like for and this is so I use 10 times for each hand and 20 times for each value and 60 times for the whole subject. And from the data, I can get the mean is for the right hand when D is equal to 0 is 242. I plus all of the data for the right hand when D is equal to 0 together, and then divided by 10 is the number I get. And for the same process, I got the mean value here, and then the standard deviation is use each of the project minus the mean value, and then divide, and then plus square them and plus them together. So I didn't put the detail here, but in the Excel I got the number is here, and then just square root the variance to get the standard deviation. For this subject, I put the accuracy to plus and minus 10 in the first when D is equal to 0, and then I put the plus minus 5 when D is equal to 50 and 100, because at the beginning the subject always follow the strip and move his hand a little bit down. That's why I think to put the accuracy bigger, and then the reaction the rate, and then the relative accuracy is use this number divided by the mean number, so we can get this like in percentage. And then for the mean ratio is use the mean value for the right hand divided by the mean value for the left hand, and then get the ratio here. To get the accuracy of mean ratio, I use one of the mean value plus the accuracy divided by the other's mean value and minus the accuracy to get the another mean ratio, and look how much they have difference, and then get the accuracy of MR, which is mean ratio. So for the subject number 2, it actually the same, that for the mean value I use I plus the data together and divide it by 10 is getting the mean value, and the standard deviations detail is here in my Excel that, and here's the equation, use each data minus the mean value, and then mean value, and then plus them together divided by 9 is the number, and then square root the variance to get the standard deviation. For the accuracy, I put plus minus 10 here, and then plus minus 5 in when d is equal to 50 and 100. Because the subject whose hand is easily touch his the strip when to slow down the accidentally, and it was better after these two sections. That's why I put 10 first and then put 5 in the other sections. On the same process, I use for the relative accuracy, I just use the accuracy divided by the mean value, and then get the relative accuracy in percentage. And for the mean ratio, I use the mean value of his right hand divided by left hand, cause his dominant hand is right hand, and then get the number. At last, the accuracy of mean ratio is use the right hand's mean value plus the accuracy divided by the left hand's mean value minus the accuracy, and then get the difference is the number here. For the subject number 3, so the mean value is the same, plus them together and divided by 10, and standard deviation detail is here. Also get the variance first, and then square root the variance, and to get the standard deviation. And the accuracy is smaller than the other two subjects, cause subject 3 I think did a very good job, and I believe her data will close to the actual situation. And I put 2 because his finger is larger than 5 millimeters. That's why I need to put 2 as the accuracy. And to the relative accuracy, just use the same method to get this, and then the mean ratio is this, cause her subject 3's dominant hand is also right hand. So for the last two questions, the answer is the accuracy doesn't depend on the subject reaction time. It depends on how much attention subject pay when he or she was doing the experiments. And if D is equal to 250 millimeter, the prong is we can get more accuracy data and accuracy reaction time of the subject, because the interval of the reaction time will be smaller, but the cones are that we need to get a longer strip, and we need the people who hold the strip also need to standing higher.